street, and I don't know what have you done with me, sugar girl. It's like a spell. I feel I float in caramel. Preferred it was a walk in pure bliss, with a cotton candy kiss, and for a second my heart skipped a beat. 3 other days were spent under the sheets, like an everlasting sweet. 2 small grains from the same sugar lamp. Just 7 days, and sugar's almost everywhere. It's so sweet, I'm almost melting on the street. And I don't know what have you done with me, sugar girl. It's like a spell. I feel I float in caramel. Today's the 7th day since we first met, and I assure I won't forget the sugar bowl you emptied over me. For 7 days been cooking in the oven, sun spit sugar sent to loving, blessed with gentle drops of warm green tea. Just 7 days, and sugar's almost everywhere.